Hello guys, I am Max Tubers from YouTube, and today we are going to be attempting to remove the Samsung Galaxy A5 screen. Okay, we are going to remove the A5 screen 2016 because the one thing happened. Listen, now this A5 phone, I have something very important in there, and the screen is broken. So I'm traveling to India very soon. I'm going to travel to India. There's going to be a travel vlog also there. So yeah, and now I'm going to be continuing English is because it is very difficult for the captions, English captions, and also I will be talking in English in vlogs. But I am Indian, okay? That does not mean that I'm American. I am Indian only. I can speak Hindi, but some of you are messaging me on my given number, which number I gave, and you are saying that English subtitles. So I could not do it. Sorry, guys. So now I'm gonna be speaking English. Wait a minute, guys. I'm back, and I now have to remove that phone. So I'm gonna be searching for that phone in my showcase. In my So I found the phone. I'm going to take it out. Yeah, I'm going to take it out. So basically, I did not know how to take the screen apart, but now I know everything. So we have this phone, A5 2016 in front of you. This is the phone in gold. I love this phone, man. It's so nostalgic. Look at this cracked screen. The screen is cracked, and I have to make sure nothing more is there with this phone. So we're going to be opening it up, and we are going to organize the problem. Wait, I will come back. So now what we're going to do, hmm, I'm going to be searching for my tools. I don't know where I kept it. I'm going to be searching for the tools, taking them out. And I have my blow dryer, not a hair dryer, this heating gun I have here. So we're gonna heat up the back using the heat gun. We're gonna just put it there. And now I don't need to remove my tools necessary for this repair. It's not actually repair. I just want to take the screen with me to India so I can show what it's like. Because then I won't be able to get the same thing or something wrong I will get, because there's confusion on this model because A3 2016, A5 and the A7 2016 also look the same. So I hopefully don't get the wrong screen. That is why I have to take the screen with me. I don't know where I can find my tools. If I'm gonna find my tools and I'm going to start the video. I have everything now and just need some box to hold this. So I'm going to use my cookie box to make sure to see this clearly. You can see this repair clearly like this. Now, I have this marker. We can mark some things. Okay, later on. What am I going to do? I want to plug in my heat gun, and I am going to heat the back. And we are going to just simply remove this back. I did not do a repair in a long time or repair videos in a long time, but I still got the juice in myself. So let me just pause a minute and come back because I need this extension for this thing. I need an extension because I got this from India. India, you can get everything cheap, and you know, I went to India in July and I did not even record or anything. Sorry, guys. So yeah, I will come back. Here, I am going to use my heat gun to heat this thing up. We're gonna use a low speed. So you can see it is working. I am going to heat it. That smells bad. Hopefully my sockets don't get burned because last time I used a hair dry. My extension cord got burned. That is why I'm plugged into direct sources. So yeah, I hope nothing happens. Please pray for me. I should get one of those plate thingies, like I should get one of those. I'm not gonna use this on high speed, by the way. And I should get one of those plate thingies which we get, to pry these things off. One of the YouTubers, Hugh Jeffries, have this plating, heating thingy. So he uses it in a very easy. So I should get one, I guess, from India. I'm going this time. Really soon I'm going. Right now I have exams going on. You cannot even pry this thing. We need something like Uno cards to pry it in here. So let me see if I have something card type of things. I hope these atta work. This work, I think. Let's see if this works. It's still something. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna get my Uno cards. I hope a paper works because I'm gonna use a cutting to look into this thing if it does not. You know what? I have my blade. I have my blade set. I'm gonna use it for this process. I'm gonna use just the right one. I'm gonna use this. Okay. Now I'm going to use it to get into this phone. Okay. I'm going to heat a little bit more. This table is a little bit congested for me. This is my work table, by the way. I work most of my phones on this. So I'm going to start heating up here. And the wire's very low for this. Let me bring this a little closer. Oh my god, my phone was about to fall. Low. I don't know why it starts like this. I guess I'll just get used to this now. Oh my god, look at the phone just battling out. So I'm just going to heat it up. This is my E25, by the way. I use Samsung, I don't like Apple. But I do repair Apple phones and keep it in my collection. It's cool to keep in your collection, but it's not cool to use one as your daily driver. I hope I don't burn anything in here. Oh my god, I got it in my hand. I am going to. Oh my god, it's heated. My god, the whole phone is hot. I hope I don't crack the glass with this. Hello? After heating it up with my suction cup, I'm going to use my suction cup. I'm pretty sure it's like this. We have to take it out. There's my suction cup. I don't have one. I just pried it without it. I don't have a suction cup. I'm going to use a flat screwdriver. The reason why I have this tape, I put it in India. I have this tape is because this thing is lost its magnet and it's falling down. As you can see, I'm not able to cut the glue. If I do it like that forcefully, I'm going to crack it. What am I going to do? I'm going to get my computer quickly and I'm going to see if they're opening from the back only or what, because I think I forgot how they're opening. Yes, they are opening from the back. Oh! My god. Okay, I'm going to open it from the back. How? But I need a card. Card is important to get into this. Let me see if I have my old hotel cards or any other cards to get into this thing. Because if I don't have it, then it's not gonna be pretty hot. Let me see my wallet. Let me explore my wallet to see if I have any cards. In my wallet, I don't have any cards at all. I'll check my new wallet. Where's my sling bag at? Where's my sling bag? Where's my bag? My all it is in there. So let's check outside. Can't find anything. I need some type of card to get into this phone. Or else we might not able to do it if we don't get any card. Where is the sling bag? Where's my sling bag? I always put my sling bag before going out, and in there is my wallet, and I cannot find that now. Why does it happen always that I you know, why does it always happen that when I want to work on something, I can't find certain things? Why does it happen like that? Oh, I hate when that happens, by the way. I need a card. Let's see if this even works. This is actually, atta. You see atta in Hindi. So atta is not even going in there. No, it's not even going in there. No, I hate it when it opens like this. And when the back part is especially flat. Let's try to use some part of my blade. Because I don't have a card on me. Whoa, 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 whoa! My full biscuits were about to get ruined. Hopefully the phone did not fail, or else it's gonna have a major problem then later on. Now I'm going to switch my blade. So I'm going to switch my blade. Let me try this blade here. Okay. This is my sets of blades. I'm going to use this blade here. Let's go. Okay, we can slide a little bit inside the phone. I think we need to heat it up a little more. Heat a little more. Listen to the glass more. I'm going to heat up the glass. Oh god, I thought it was smoke. I got so scared. That's hot enough. Oh my god, I can't even touch the phone. It's too hot. I hope I don't crack the back. Oh, it's coming out. You can see. You can see, guys? It's coming out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I got into there. By a lot of heat. I finally got inside the phone. I'm going to take the screen out. Then later it should not be difficult. Just be careful not to cut any connectors. Oh my god. Look at the glue they use. Oh my god. It's so sticky, by the way. Hopefully this is all cutting in there. We go this way. Cutting it all up. Oh, did I crack something? No. Thank God for that. I didn't crack something. So, because that's way too far. See the process that I'm doing here. I'm not gonna speed it up because for new guys, you can see how I'm doing this. Overheat. There's so many times I crack screens doing like this without any heat. I am doing quickly out of execution. That is why I'm doing it quick. But please do not do this quickly. Please do aram se. Okay, please take your time and do this repair. Now, I think that's way too hot, so I cannot even touch the phone. Oh my god, the blade is also hot. Oh yeah, now it's easy to get into the phone. Yeah, now it's a little bit easy to get into the phone. I'm not gonna be gluing this back because I still have to get a new screen for this from India. That is why I'm going to remove the screen to get the same exact one as this. I'm going to take the housing with me or something I'm going to do with this. I'm going to see. Oh my god, I feel like something is going to crack. Oh. It's cutting the glue. Let's heat it a little bit there. Heat it all the edges. So it's quite hard though. Okay. Oh. So let's see. You can see I pulled up a video over there. Yeah, pulling it from the back. I know everything else from there. So we're gonna then heat up the screen to take the screen apart. And we're gonna take the broken screen actually because I want to get the same thing. So I want to take the broken screen with me in the packet and leave this phone here. It's my phone given by a relative and they might take it back. Sometimes they do like this when they see that old stuff on there. So I am really struggling there, so let's heat there. Let's heat it there. Then I'm going to struggle a little bit. I'm struggling a little bit, so I'm heating it there. Why is it open? I'm just going to show this here, you know. Now let's focus. Too much of heating though. Ow! My god, it's too hot to touch the phone like that. At least the glue is there. Yeah, at least the glue is loosened. I didn't, for the first time, I did not crack something while removing like this. Oh, my hands are burning, man. What is this? Cutting there. Cutting its blade through. I cannot take all these blades with me, so I'm going to just take one part of my blade, which is this blade, because it's the best blade. Because I cannot take everything with me to India. I'm just going to go for vacation, for family meetings and all. Thing is going to say, stop using me that much. You know, keep it there, keep it here, keep it everywhere. I'm making a video so that you can also follow this step. I'm not gonna pass it up or anything because, you know, you have to see every step. You have to see every step that I'm using. Oh my god, that's just too much. Look at my hands, they're full red. Even the table is hot now. What's going on in there? My god, it's stuck. So we're gonna use another blade to hold that in, because something is stuck in there. So I'm going to use this blade here to hold this thing here till here, right? So I am going to hold it like this till here, until we just cut it. Just cut the rest in there. Ah, my God, that's not even cutting. There's too much glue, I think. That is too hard. Let me just get it here. Wait. Oh my God, that's too much glue, man. I'm gonna heat it for a little long. Even though it's too much hot. And the screen, I don't care because we have to get it replaced. If it is perfect screen, I have to be scared a little bit. Okay. Keep this spot. So you can pull it out. One, two, three, 4, 5, and we're gonna close it. Ow, that's too hot. I'm not overreacting, man. This is too much hot. Let's see the screen. What happened to this? That's too hot to touch right now, man. That's too hot. Without a tissue. Where's the tissue box here? Doesn't matter. I've been experiencing this for many times. As you can see now, the glue is a little bit easy now. To hold something with this, I'm going to hold it. No, it's gonna get back in there. Then the glue is gonna get back, and that. I have to grab a tissue. Have to wear gloves. Just grab a tissue box and then use tissue here because I don't have gloves or anything. Sorry, take my tissue box, come here. Now I'm going to use some tissues. This is way too hot. Oh, my phone always falls over that thing. My phone is always falling. So I'm going to use a tissue. It's not too hot right now. The glue got hard or anything. Now I got it. I cut the whole glue in there. Now it can be lifted. Now this side of the phone has to be lifted. Let's move the screwdriver. Now easily it will come out. And look, without cracking anything, I have did this. A little bit of heat. I'll have to use this tissue now. It's going to be way too hot. I have a very important recording in there that we need to get out the phone. So I am going to just take the screen off so we can take this to India. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. I have to hold like this. Let it cool down a little bit. Okay, you know what? Instead of tissues or anything, we're gonna let it cool down. I'm just gonna blow it on the phone. It's gonna blow on the phone. Now the heat is gone. We can just continue. It's still a little bit hot. Okay, at least the glue is loosened. And we have to get the glue off so we can put new ones. Not now, but after we come back from our vacation. This phone is way too hot now. I cannot even heat it more, so I have to just do something to get this glue. It's too hard. What the? Now the whole phone. So we have come back to the end. We can remove this tool. Take this phone. That's a really strong glue. Now I'm going to take this phone apart. What happened? I'm going to lift it up using plastic tools. What happened? What happened to this? Okay. I hope I don't crack this. It's way too fat, way too thin for this to be there. I'm going to just put that there and use another tools to do that. It's very hot in here because I'm doing really hard work. And we need a screwdriver to take the Phillips screws out, so we're gonna use this screwdriver. And I'm going to have to take a flat screwdriver, I'm afraid. And we are going to have to go under there with a flat screwdriver. So I have to find a flat screwdriver in order to go get in there. And I can't find any flat screwdriver except the broken one that I have. Okay, I can't find it. Nothing. There's nothing in there. No flat screwdrivers. Okay, so I have to use this. No, but that will not help. That is why I need a flat screwdriver like this here. But can we lift it now? So much of this is done and we cannot lift it. Wow. I hope we don't crack it. So, is it ready to come off or what? So, insert that. Let's just lift it directly because it's gonna crack. Now we're gonna heat it there even more. I'm gonna heat it there. Heating this is not helping us, guys. Come on. This one is not getting us. Please, guys, I don't want any average views now for this video because I'm working hard to make it. Come on, pause to have tuition. Come on. This thing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we are going to do the rest. Can we take it out? Okay, you know what? I'm going to take it out and I'm going to unpause. Finally, we got into the phone. Take this off without any cracks. Now let's see what's going on in here. Wireless charging coil. Please do not damage it. So we're gonna unscrew these screws. I will show you. We're gonna unscrew all these. I'm gonna unscrew all these. I need something magnetic like. It's that's not magnetic, but it will get it out. Now I'm going to get it out and put it there. Thus we're going to do the I'm not gonna pause the video again because I will let you guys know which screws to do. This phone I am disassembling for the first time in my life, and I am disassembling this phone, and nobody is in this phone. Everything is original in here. Nothing changed. No one is in this phone. My family member did not get it repaired, but it got cracked though. My screw fall down because of someone disturbing me. Okay, one screw, let it be. Just gonna move more. You have to be very careful. The force. Oh my god. Oh my god, I thought it fall. I have such poor working space right now. That's such a poor screwdriver. Let me see if any other screwdrivers work because this is very small for me. Like, not the big. This is a proper screwdriver. No, but that's not working. This is also a proper screwdriver. That's working perfectly fine. Magnetic would be fun though. Instead of just manually prying them out at risk of losing screws. Okay. It's gonna take a lot of time. I have to go to tuition. I hope I don't puncture the battery. You'll have to damage this a little bit there. Just use my cutter gone. No, wait! I'm just gonna use this to remove all that old stuff out of there so we can get you. Now we can just get the access to that. So give it. Put it here. How are you gonna see?
You want this?
Yes.
Black coffee?
Yes.
Okay, I'm putting it in a cup.
No, here only you put. Like this glass.
Okay.
Okay, so someone was there, my sister's, but there. Oh my god. I think it's gonna fly or something. It's gonna... That's not gonna help. It's only helping. It's only helpful cutting. This is gonna take a long video, maybe 1 hour. I don't know. That is why they require lots and lots of time to get into these phones and change their screens. They can require 1 hour almost. Now I understand why they require this many hours. I'm not a clear professional. But you can do this repair at home. It's a very simple repair. It's a very simple repair. Simple repair. Ah! Anyways, it's gonna be tricky. Can we get that in one go or what? Yeah. Oh my god, that hole was meant in the hole in the table. Now let me just take my kit. I'm going to just take something. No. No. So I'm actually gonna use tissue to place on it because these screws can get lost very easily. They're very hard to find. Now we can work safely and we can just take unnecessary things out of the table for more workspace. And where's my screwdriver? I hope I did not mix them. I hope this was the one. Let's unscrew. No. Oh my god, let me just get this. Oh my god. Let me just put this away first. I'm going to put these screws away here because they're gonna get lost if something happens to it. Okay, so now let me just. Oh, I almost punctured this thing. Battery. Almost punctured the dang battery. Man, I'm safe. Let's do this. Not the battery. Punctured. Almost punctured it. Okay. Oh, I lost all my screws. What a stupid tissue. I lost most of my screws. Now I have to find it. At least it falls in my box so that I can find them easily. So I have more screw box. I have test the screws. Where's my other old screw? I kept it there. Oh yeah. Old screw there, I kept it. Now let me see. This will come. Okay, so now I'm going to unscrew these. We're not gonna remove them. I'm just gonna keep unscrewing them because to save lots of time. Most of the screws are lost. So as you can see, most of them are unscrewed. Now we are going no, but it's going to, then the screws are going to get lost. So let's take them one by one. And I'm going to go. I have to go ahead and get a SIM ejector. Oh my god, not the battery way. Let's do this way. Not the battery way though. Oh no. That's literally the let's screw this properly. That's the screw. That's how you chip them out. And the last final screw. Oh, this one is easy to chip. Yeah. Now we have completed all the screws. Now I have to take out two of the SIM ejectors. So I'm gonna take my pointies tool in here to get that. I have my pointies tool in here to get the screw in that. Which I don't have that at the moment. I have to get a proper SIM ejector. Wait, I have here. I have here the most pointy thing of all. And now it's been helping to get that out. A little bit. Nearly there, not that one. Let's take the top one out. Let's do something to get that. Okay, so I'm going to use a badge.
Where's my boy? Hello, guys.
Oh yeah. Now I have this out. Let's take the other one out. Let's take this other one out here. Ow. Why is it stuck in there? I found an old Airtel SIM card. The keypad. I found an old SIM card. Old Airtel, of course. What do you say? Yeah, by the way. It's an old Airtel SIM card in this phone I found. Okay. Now, you have to concentrate on a work now. So I'm going to take it from this hinge. To take this. Now, I have to take this apart. Something apart. I have to take something apart, which I'm going to do right now. Where's my blade gone? You have to take this. I'm going to take this. No. Oh no, my son came. Ugh. This is what I hate to do. Oh, almost got lost. But thank God, anything happened. So we just have to press on this thing, and this will come out. We have to press on the frame. You have to take this whole frame out like this. We're going to now disconnect the screen, and now we are going to take this. Oh my God! We'll pick up later. And now I'm going to cut the screen out. I'll do this. I'm gonna have to be careful to take this. Now I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna chip it out with this body frame. Oh! What am I doing? Oh my God! Did I damage it? No, I'm afraid not. Who is there?
Nobody.
Huh?
Nobody.
Who is there? Okay, okay. You still want to play? You still want to play?
Yes. I'm acting.
Okay. Come. I'm coming.
He's recording.
Ooh. Almost. Okay, guys, so we are heating up the screen right now. We're currently heating up the screen. Hold.
Okay.
So now we can do the same way everything. And now we are going to chip it out. Look at how easy that went. Oh. That's just an old screen, that is why I have to do it roughly. I'm doing it roughly because it's just an old screen there. Stop this because you something. What's this? Oh, where's I don't know. I'm going to try. I recommend using plastic tools for this.
What is this? What is this?
Sorry.
You can take this back. Do you want the pin?
Yes.
I'll give you the pin and I'll take the match.
Okay.
I'll remove the pin.
Oh my god, all the glass is all over me. Glass. As you can see now, if you have a perfectly good screen on this thing, please use plenty of heat to get it there. This screen is not good at all. That is why I am just doing this because the screen is not good. Then we are going to get a new one.
It's pinching your hand. Stop that. It's hurting your hand.
Oh my god, this whole screen came out.
It's on his hand. Oh no! It's all you on your box and your hand. My god.
Failed, but at least I will take this with me to India.
Your hands are going to come blood, bro. Yeah, wow.
Okay, now.
If it pinching someone like me.
Okay, now I'm gonna assemble this phone and leave it like this. I just need this whole new screen though. Then I'm gonna take this with me. I'm just gonna take a picture of this. Okay, let me just take a picture. Okay, I took a picture. Now we're gonna take this with me and we're gonna take the picture of the backwards. Now I'm gonna take this with me. So I need a plastic bag to put this in so I can take this with me. And we can just assemble this phone up like before. So what you have to do is you have to take this and put it like this, just like so. I'm just gonna put it like this. Make sure it clicks and everything. Okay, now this phone is without the screen. Okay, I'm not gonna take that part out because it's pinching my whole hand. We can just stick this part. I'm just gonna take this part of me. And I'm just gonna keep it here. Do I have this model number over here? Yeah. Now I'm going to assemble this with screws. Screws I have here. I'm gonna assemble them very quickly. Yeah. Now I'm going to put some screws after this. I will play. Finished. 2 minutes.
It is almost 1 hour in your phone.
So I am going to put everything. I have to vacuum this, I think. What? Not even
I cannot remove the pen.
Ow! Ow! It's hurting my hand. Now I'm going to use where's my black screwdriver? It's my black. I have to vacuum this whole bed before sleeping. Now I'm going to.
What?
Yes, it's here.
Somebody came. That is your soul, baby.
No, I'm tell him to wait 5 minutes. Because I cannot leave my setup like this. Someone is going to touch the setup and ruin the setup. Especially my naughty sister, because she's going to play around here, and she plays around here when I'm not looking. I basically don't let her enter. But when I'm not looking, she can do anything. So I cannot leave the phone like this. It's very dangerous. So we're going to just have to pack everything up. Yes?
You're so cute.
You just tell him to wait 5-10 minutes. Just tell him to wait 5 minutes. Come on, let's do this fast. Let's do this process very fast. Oh, get in there, man. I don't have time. Don't mess around with me. I'm not gonna put a glue until I get a new screen on here. I'm gonna be removing the original glue later. Yes! I'm coming after 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes, please.
Sir is telling he will go another place.
Where?
He will go to another tuition, he said.
So just tell him to wait.
He's telling he have another tuition also.
So?
So he's telling come fast. Otherwise I need to make a move.
Okay, I'm coming fast only. Tell him, open the door first. No, tell, I will talk to Mama first. Wait a minute. Tell Papa to come here first.
Oh no, Maxi mein baithe pagal.
Oh, okay. Put the curtains there and tell Papa to come here.
Mama?
I have a tuition to go. I'll just put the screws in a bag here.
Yes.
And I'm just going to leave it my setup there. And I'm going to just put this thing here. And now we are done with the repair. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. I will see you in the next one.